Let's take a look at the cut command. I'll go to New, Metric Sheet Metal. I'll start with a rectangle. On the XY plane, lock. I'll go to the center of the axis. 100, tab, 100, enter. Accept that. Back to select. Pick anywhere in the region. And I'll pull this down for the thickness, and I'll change it from 1 to 2. And I'll fit the view. And I'll go back to select to pull down these flanges. I'll hold down the Shift key to pick up these edges. I'll pick on the arrow, and I'll drop this down 25. And I'll fit the view again. Now I'll add some sketches on this top face to use for cuts. So I lock onto this face, and I'll start by putting a rectangle on this back corner here, just any size, and I'll put another rectangle here. I don't want to make this too big. Place another rectangle here. Same idea, and this time I'll put a circle on this line here, right out to the edge, and I'll add another circle around on this edge. I also like to add a couple of lines here, and maybe to do this I'll look at it from the top. This is a diamond shape right here, and maybe I should make that equal, and horizontal vertical. Now I'll go to the cut command, and on this corner I'll select that region, hold down the Shift key, pick up the additional region, right mouse click to accept, and nothing's happening. I'm just seeing this error here. So what's going on? If I look down here at the prompt bar, it says select to surface. Well, I need to go look at my options here. The cut extents. Right now it's on from to. On this initial one, I just want it to go through all. I select through all, point down, and accept that cut. There's my first cut. Go back to my next cut, both the regions, hold down the Control key. This time I'd like to go to the wrapped cut, so I'll select that option right there, and if I right mouse click, it'll unfold that and let me see exactly what that's going to look like, and if that's what I want, I'll just accept that, again with a right mouse click. Try it again with the next cut. Now this time I think I have 4 regions, so I'm holding down the Shift key, go back to my wrapped cut, right mouse click. This is why I don't want this too far, it's getting a little close to the edge, that's why I need to draw this smaller. But if this is what I want, again, right mouse click to accept. And I'll go back to the next cut, and it's just a circle, pick those 2 regions, right mouse click. And again, I missed my option, so I want to do wrap cut. That's what I want. Right mouse click to accept. And I'll do this last cut here, pick these 2 regions, grab my option, wrapped cut, right mouse click, see what that looks like, and right mouse click to accept. Now, if I look at this from the top, these all pass through, these rectangles look fine, and the circle looks fine as the cut goes through here. You'll see what happens where the cut's going through. This looks great. But over on this edge, it doesn't look very good. See right here, this is a little bit of a mess. So if I wanted to fix that, I could go back, let's just lock to this top plane again, and look at it from the top view. And I'll draw another line here. But in this example, I'll drop this back, and I'll draw a line over the cut. Make sure this lines up here. Let's just zoom in on that so I can see it better. And finish the line. And now if I go to the cut command and select these 2 regions, go back up here to my wrapped sketch, right mouse click to see it as it's unfolded, and I can accept that. Now the cut looks a lot nicer there. It doesn't look as jagged. So we may want to consider that as an option. And if you'd like to see this in the flat pattern, we can go over to Tools, Flatten, select our top face, and any of these for the X-axis. And there's the flat pattern.